Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So if you've accidentally changed the system language, and you have no idea how to change it again, then let's first of all localize the settings, so the icon with the gear icon, so the app with gear icon. And here in this left section, we have to scroll all the way down to find the option with 3 dots icon, so additional settings. Then let's tap on the second option, which is languages and input. And here tap on languages at the top. And now we've got the list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So let me pick maybe Turkish. So just tap on the specific language, your device will immediately mark it. And after getting back, you can see that from now on everything is displayed in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again because I have no idea how to speak Turkish. So let me go back, English. And we've got the English set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.